Are you strange too? The word is strange. The strange Italian song. The strange Italian song. Now listen to the melody. Maybe it come from Italy, and I can sing like Farinelli. I think it's plain to see. Some people say that's the greatest is the Italian melodies. O sole mio guarda io una caprese carrozzone. Do you believe in Napoli?
So you can't forget you're in China. Never.
不希望这样，先不好让小朋友讨厌。会。
This one is dirty.
This is they are coming all together.
They're afraid.
They are swarming.
It's scaring me about. And there's a mountain. I don't know, but it's gonna be in my movie. Have you heard about? I forgot I'm taking video. I hear Russian music, really old one. And also the Chinese.
Are you strange too? The word is strange.
Filmed it earlier. китайцы, они пытаются вот здесь со мной фоткаться, я на флоришине, надо прятаться от них в воде, они же не плавают, и они не могут меня тут достать. Иду к берегу, по самому этому, хочу в воде.
I think it's plain to see. Some people say that the greatest the Italian melodies. O sole mio guaglione, una caprese carrozza. Do you believe in Napoli? Lui prima Celentano, king of rock Italiano. Do you believe in me, Italy? Yeah.
С Новым годом всех! И спасибо большое, что смотрели мое видео. И дубль 2. Спасибо всем, кто смотрел видео. Всех с Новым годом, Рождеством, праздниками и всем, чем можно. Всего самого лучшего. И всем пока!